Evening incense.
This is the brief on the spiritual danger of a hardened heart, drawn from Numbers chapter 16. You know, the classic devotional evening incense highlights a shocking historical event where the Israelites literally watched the earth swallow a rebellion, only to wake up completely unmoved, serving as a pretty sobering warning of how easily our own consciences can just grow numb. First, how does someone see a massive catastrophe and feel absolutely nothing? Well, it comes down to the gradual process of hardening, because spiritual blindness isn't an overnight choice. It happens slowly by repeatedly ignoring your convictions. Think of your conscience kind of like your skin. When it's constantly burned by ignored warnings, it eventually just sears and stops feeling pain altogether. Second, once the heart loses that feeling, how do we rationalize our failures? We look outward and play the blame game. The Israelites actually blamed their leaders, Moses and Aaron, for their own rebellion, and while it's super easy for us to sit back and judge them, let's be real. Don't we do the exact same thing today by using our upbringing or circumstances as an excuse to avoid repentance? A hard heart accuses everyone else, while a soft heart looks inward and simply admits, I have sinned. Finally, if sheer human willpower can't fix this, what's the remedy? It points to the divine remedy and the absolute urgency of today. God promises in Ezekiel 36:26 to replace that stone heart with a new heart of flesh. But you've got to respond immediately, because every delay just makes the heart colder. You simply can't schedule repentance for tomorrow. So stop looking for someone to blame, examine your own conscience today, and ask God to soften your heart while it still has the capacity to feel.